everybody, and hello and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add text in Photoshop. So let's get started. It's very easy. Let's go to here, and here is a picture, for example, and let's click hard. There is a T symbol here. You can click on it, or you can simply click T on your keyboard and it opens. This is the text tool, the type tool. As you can see, there is horizontal, there is vertical, and let's click on it. Click like this, and here, yeah, this is the text. If I want to increase it to make it like 72, for example, let's make it 200. Yeah, 200. As you see here, and you can like use other fill, other type. For example, I want it like this, and yeah, here it is. There's the text. Very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.